Big D to Eagle 1. Are you there? Over. Over. No. Eagle 1 to Big D. Are you there? Over.
This is Big D. I'm here for the 5th time.
Over.
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 We are passing the Bonneville Salt Flats.
Over.
Over.
That's cool, but what was that sculpture earlier?
Over.
Over. That was
Complete crap.
a complete crap. A tree.
Over.
Over.
Cool. Markham says it was designed by Grandma Gail.
Probably was. Over.
Probably was, and we have this recorded on videotape.
Over.
Over.
I guess she's not gonna like Markham anymore. Hey, are you doing your speedometer check?
What does that mean?
Please rephrase in a language we can understand. Over.
Doing your speedometer check. We're on to mile 2 of the speedometer check. 1 minute, 36 seconds.
What does that mean?
I do not know what that means, and we are not.
Over.
Over.
It should take you 1 minute, 36 seconds to get to the next checkpoint.
Well, we're right behind you. It'd just be the same thing.
Well, we are right behind you, so we are doing the same speed as you.
Over.
Over.
Say bye, over.
No.
No.
Roger that. Over and out. Over. I don't know why I said over.
Over. And that is how you properly talk on the walkie-talkie.
Over and out.
Over. Over and out.